Hello statisticians and welcome to our 3.1 Excel how-to tips video. This video is going to take a look at three special commands on Excel that can help you find the mean, median, and mode quite quickly from a set of data in Excel. First with the mean, we're going to use the command for the mean is equals average, open a parentheses, and then we'll select the numbers that we want the average of. So if I hit equals and type in average, open up parentheses, and come over here to my data. This is the same data we had in our prior video, number of text messages. And I just have to select all the values, close the parentheses, and when I hit enter, it'll give me the mean of all of these values. The median is very similar. You're just going to type in equals median instead. So we'll type in equals median, open up parentheses, and again select all the values. Close the parentheses, and when I hit enter, it'll give us the median of our data set. The mode is very similar as well. We'll hit equals mode, open a parentheses, and then select the data and hit enter. Something to be careful of with the mode is some data sets have multiple modes. If there are multiple modes, Excel will only give the first mode, so it's worth taking a moment to double check the mode answer to make sure it is accurate. Hopefully this video was helpful as you're looking at finding the measures of center on your assignment.